Hi, I'm Lisa Cleveland from Wando Mount Pleasant Library. Today I'm going to show you how to make a healthy frozen treat called unicorn bark. What you're going to need to make this treat is 4 cups of yogurt. You can use vanilla or plain yogurt, whatever you feel is good or you like better. You're also going to need food coloring. I'm using pastel food coloring and pastel sprinkles. I found these sprinkles at Walmart, but if you can't find unicorn sprinkles, you can always use just plain old sprinkles. You will also need an 8x8 dish with parchment paper. So what you're going to first do is scoop out all the yogurt into a dish, or if you want to use the cup yogurt, you can use that and pour the food coloring right into the cup. So I'm going to use pink, and I'm just going to add a couple of drops. Green. Purple. And blue. You're going to mix up your yogurt so all the food coloring is mixed up. I'm also going to add some fresh fruit to the bark. I'm going to use 1 banana, and I have chopped up 4 or 5 strawberries. So what you're going to do is take one of the colors of yogurt and just dollop it onto your baking dish. And then you're going to just rotate your colors. And you're going to fill up the baking dish until it's completely covered with yogurt. Okay, now I'm going to take my banana and I'm just going to slice it over the yogurt. And there's a little bit of banana on each row. And then you can also add your strawberries. I pre-cut the strawberries, so I'm just gonna lay them on top also. Now you want to take a knife and swirl your yogurt so all the colors blend. And now you're going to add your sprinkles. Okay, now you're going to freeze your dish for 3 to 4 hours until it's frozen solid. Once it's done, frozen, you can just pull up the parchment paper and your entire bark will come out cleanly, so you don't have to even dirty up your dish. And then after you take out your yogurt bark, you can break the bark because it's going to be full frozen solid, and it comes out like this. And it's a healthy treat to have. Your kids will love it, and enjoy.